buddy. Yo.
What?
Look up.
What?
Tell everyone where we're going today.
No.
What do we do?
I crashed my leg.
Yeah. How'd you crash?
Down. On a bike.
Good answer.
Good answer. He crashed on his dirt bike yesterday, which we recorded it. But we did not. And he sprained his ankle. We're pretty sure it's a sprain, but we gotta make sure he gets some x-rays.
Mom, you know that's gonna go to the doctor.
Yeah, well, we're not gonna let the doctor see this. So, the doctor asks what? This bicycle. But it was a dirt bike. Show us that foot. What? Show us the swollen one.
Move. It's not better.
It's
Move
better?
it.
Yeah, someone's gonna need probably crutches.
You need to.
We just got to the doctor's office, and what do we are checking if his foot is actually broken. Homie has been on crutches for days, and we went originally to
For like 2 months.
2 months, more like 4 days, and Saturday, today's Wednesday, and we went to urgent care, and they gave him crutches, and yeah, look, he's in so much pain. So do you think your foot is broken? Let me see the foot. Jeez. Do you think it's broken?
Yes.
Yeah. You think you're gonna get a cast today?
Yes.
How'd you do it on your dirt bike?
I have my dirt bike.
Oh my gosh. Are you gonna stop riding?
Never.
Never. Okay. So, do you think it's broken? Because we're gonna go there. Let's make a bet. Is it broken? $20. Mom says it's not broken, and $20. Lucian says that it what?
Not.
Not? I thought you said it was broken. No. Okay. All right. We're gonna see.
Right. Mom, no, there's no way the doctor's gonna check my bottom.
Hey.
Look.
What's up?
Hi.
What you got?
Umbrella?
Dude, show him your new boot. Show him what's up. Let's turn the light. Show him. Dang. Look at that bad boy. Can we see it? Can we see it? Can we see it?
No.
Put your leg up. Let's see it. Dang. Look at that boot.
Mama, the screw reached the top.
They can reach the top.
Yeah, I could.
Show us your wobble. Wobble, wobble.
Wobble, wobble.
This is what happens when you ride a dirt bike and you're 6 years old and you crash. You fracture a toe. Dun, dun, dun.